Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us on the next installment of the Studio Suite blog demos. My name's Alicia, and this is Julio over at Studio Suite. And in today's video, we are discussing creating schedules within Studio Suite. So Julio is going to be telling us a little bit about the scheduling module and giving us a demo right here. So definitely make sure that you're watching this video in its entirety. And Julio, I'll go ahead and turn it over to you.
Thank you, Alicia. All right, this is our home interface in Studio Suite. We have projects right here. These are events on the right side, which belong to these projects. And on the bottom, we have tasks and follow-ups. But today we're talking about employee schedules. So we do have a designated module for that. So here it is. And you can perform different finds. So you can search schedules for different resources. So you have your list of employees over here, and you can select any of them. So I'm choosing this gal over here, Chrissy, Director of Photography. So I can show how you can compare between the schedule that she was assigned versus the actual. So that's really handy because you can compare the difference. So in this case, she went a little over. She was scheduled until 5 p.m. and she went till 6:30. So Studio Suite does all the math for you. It factors in the break and it gives you the difference, which in this case is 1.5 hours. So that's really handy and convenient. You can create schedules from right here from this module. Or if you're more a visual person, you can also create schedules using the calendar module. So if you're in the calendar module, we're looking for today. All of these in tan are resources and employees that we can schedule. So if I just want to schedule somebody for 2 days, I can create that employee schedule here really quick, easy and convenient. And what else? We have our reporting options over here. So you can generate reports for any of your employees. You can see how much time they've worked throughout the week, throughout the quarter, throughout the month, etc. So I hope this was helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Alicia, back to you.
All right, Julio, thank you so much for showing us the demo, and it was definitely helpful. If you're watching this video right now and that scheduling module looked like the perfect thing for you, that's exactly what you're looking for, you're definitely going to want to check out the rest of our blogs that we've done in the past and the ones that we post in the future, because you're going to get to learn a lot about a lot of the other features in Studio Suite. And if you're ready, you can also visit studiosuite.com to sign up and schedule for your one-to-one demo with someone at Studio Suite. So they'll be able to walk you through a lot more of what Studio Suite can offer, so that you can make the decision if it's the perfect fit for your studio. So definitely do that, and also give them a call if you have any questions, or reach out at sales@studiosuite.com.